Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Blends by Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. If cold smoothies sometimes feel too harsh on your stomach, this warm cinnamon banana smoothie is here to change that. With about 230 calories, it's gentle, nourishing, and perfect for slow mornings or postpartum recovery. We're starting with one ripe banana for natural sweetness and creaminess, a little bit of cooked oats for fiber and comfort, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that warm, cozy spice that also helps with digestion. A teaspoon of almond butter adds healthy fat and makes it rich and satisfying, while warm almond milk ties everything together. You can even add a touch of honey if you want it sweeter. Once blended, it's silky smooth, almost like a hug in a mug. This smoothie is calming, filling, and gives you steady energy without being heavy. Recreate this, sip slowly, and let me know how you like it in the comments, because sometimes the best smoothies aren't icy cold. They are warm, soothing, and exactly what your body needs. Follow for more daily smoothie recipes that heal, energize, and help you glow from the inside out. Bye!
I got you. Yes.